China.
Easy, Nazi. Why easy? Why?
Madam China.
Nazi. Just be coming front now, don't go back.
How much is your money?
2,500.
2,500.
Sounds
only.
2,500. Mazibe.
Madam China.
Deepa.
Madam China.
Odogunwoke.
Hey, good.
Thank
Madam
you
China.
so much for coming out.
Count your own here and give me my balance.
How do you know that I have balance? Small. This is your balance.
Is this my own?
Put it in your pocket. Small. Thank you for coming around. Thank you.
Let me go back to my house of commotion. Let me go back to those groups of bastards.
Mazibe, please take good care of yourself and please walk gently home. Why? Why you're small? Oh, madam, that's not road. Now look at road here. Yes, that side. Follow there. Oh, we are followed there. Wait. Mazibe. Why?
Madam China.
Small, don't be coming back again now. Just be going. Okay. Deepa.
You go give am 5 bottles, you go still give am another bottle because of the I
don't understand. My shop you there. Now my shop, I go show you. See, I be Madam China.
No, I want your drink, not pay you. I won't go.
No, drink na 2,000 naira. It is Chris.
Choose waiting.
Come on, give my money, get out.
Now they go bring your drink.
No, I want for this shop now. Mazibe.
If I pay you one time, make I pay.
You go pay, you don't pay finish. Start today. You don't pay like this already.
Na shake promise yo. If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass the wall. I never see before. If you don't know, you go know.
Everything is in the space.
So if you had got it yourself, would only you have eaten it?
That is small rat.
Okay. Let us share it equally.
No! For what? Mama, Mama, you know you're the first wife.
Yes.
By right, you're supposed to take the lion's share. Finish, simple.
Says who? Young man, shut up your mouth before I shut it for you. Hey, please, stop shutting my son up for saying this. What is your problem?
Please, no one should talk to my mother like that, we worked for it now, so the money should be shared equally. Nobody should have anybody here. I
wonder.
I will share the money equally.
Come and say it. Let me see.
You people better mind yourself. Mind yourself in this house.
Let us share it.
Let's share it. If you don't want to share it, you have strength.
What did I carry his shoulder? You know his shoulder is more heavier. The leg is heavy and
wahala no dey finish yo. Make we take life easy jejely. Na so we dey go. Divided we will fall, united we will stand. Let's live in peace and harmony. Love each other as we love ourselves. We go live longer. I say when wahala jump to the bone, I shake a promise. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. When wahala jump to the bone, I shake a promise. If you don't know, you go know. Every day I'm fighting, life will not be like this year. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. While I jump to the bone, I shake a promise. If you don't know, you go
grass cutter.
Big one.
Hey, who took the money I left in this pocket? Who took the money I left in this pocket? Why are you people looking at me like this? I said, who took the money I left in this pocket?
Whom are you asking? Why are you asking that question and directing it to me? In the first place, did you employ anybody in this house as money keeper? If you must ask, don't you know the channel to direct those questions to? I look at them, they are just opposite you. Direct it to them. You know where to.
I hope you are not referring to my children and I.
Do we have any other intruder in this house?
Naomi, you are a fool. A very big fool for that matter. Who is an intruder?
Shut up! Nonsense. You are a foolish. In fact, you are foolish. You are a compound fool. In fact, community of fools. That is what you and your children.
Look at this one, no. You know how you do it.
All of you, shut up. I am asking of my money, and both of you are here trying to deviate from the actual fact by creating a nuisance. Wait, what do you people call me? A fool? Huh?
We don't know anything about your money. I and my children, we don't know. Ask them. Ask them. You know how they behave. Ask them. You know how she and her children, how they behave. It is them you will ask, and not me and my children. All these ones, look at them.
I and my children, they did not say anything. No, it is my children and I who knows. Yes. By the way, let me ask you. Was it not this morning you came from God knows where? Why did you not ransack yourself very well that place and make sure that your money is intact before coming here to constitute nuisance? What is your problem?
Look, all of you will provide that money. You see that money? All of you will give me that money in this house. There will be no peace in this house if you don't give me that money.
Now, are we going to money?
To give you my
Come on, carry my wrapper now.
Papa is following. Mama, Papa used to give us this.
Come, you, Naomi. The next time you accuse I and my children in this house will not take us. Let me just tell you for the last time.
Where are you
I'm
coming
just
from?
warning you.
Hey!
One.
Let me tell you, if you dare,
What do you want to do?
this one is there.
What do you want to do?
You're joking, this one I can't die. I don't go to jam.
Look at this. Look at this one.
Why your mother?
You go know. This one don't pass the walla. I never see before. If you don't know, you go know.
This is not the first time this is happening to me. I'm sure one of them must be responsible for that.
Please hold it there. Don't be too sure. You can't be accusing your family of your predicament every time. Eh? Besides, you know your daily routine. No, every day, every minute is Madam China's shop. Eh? Go there, you eat, you drink, you make money, you spend all your earnings. At the end of the day, you stumble and you fall into the gutter, fall by the wayside, sleep by the bush.
Are you calling me a drunk just because of one bottle of drink? Huh? I'm not a drunk and can never be. I know everything that is happening around me.
You know everything that's happening around you. So how do you end up sleeping by the bush side? Sleeping inside the gutter, even by the roadside? They hold you, look at you. Hey!
Okoro, that is the mystery I'm trying to unfold. I don't understand that part. You see, I am sure that I get to my house after everything. But how I end up in those places is what I can't tell.
Then stop drinking. Stop drinking and everything will be alright. Stop drinking. It won't kill you. Hey!
Okoro,
Eh?
are you the one telling me to stop drinking?
Why not?
I should stop drinking.
Uh-huh.
As if you don't know what lead me into this drinking habit. Those two women I married, they have destroyed me. You know how rich I used to be before I got married to them. So now look at me.
I've warned you before. Stop blaming your family for your predicaments. Eh? Your family is not responsible for what is happening to you. No. You stop taking care of your family and they became angry with you. That is it. They become angry with you. There is nothing wrong with you stopping drinking and channeling all your resources to your family, taking care of them. And everything will be alright with you. Everybody will be happy. Even you will be contented with life. That is the truth.
Okoro,
Huh?
on which side are you? Huh? Are you my friend or my enemy? Just be straightforward so that I will know what to do with you.
If I were not your friend, I wouldn't be sitting here in the first place.
Then support me now. That is what friends do for each other. Support me at all costs.
Even when you are wrong,
Yes, even when I'm wrong. Besides, I can never be wrong. I am always right.
Mr. Right. No, shop right. That's what you are. Shop right. You're always right. Everywhere. You are right in everything. I bet. Please, reason. Think. Use your head before someone uses your head for you. Use your head. You tell me you are right everywhere.
Look, Okoro,
Eh?
there's nothing will stop me from drinking.
Nothing stop you from drinking.
You know, this drinking is the only thing that gives me joy and happiness.
That is all no this is the sickness that will take you to a grave. Drinks. Don't tell me, don't tell you. Stop drinking today and then look.
If you drink, you no give you, wait till you get even.
Who is responsible? Answer me.
Responsible for what, Mama?
Are you mad? Don't let me ask you this question again. And if I ask you this question again, I will slap you. Who is responsible? You think I'm a fool? Think I'm that naive not to know when a girl is pregnant?
Pregnant? I'm not pregnant, Mama. I'm not pregnant.
Don't let me repeat myself again. Who is responsible?
You should go.
Where you go?
Mazi Ibe's son.
Hey! Chineke. Mazi Ibe gini? That good for nothing boy. That son of a stupid drunk.
It was a mistake.
Oh!
I'm sorry, Mama. It was a mistake.
Mistake?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. His manhood fell down. And all of a sudden ran into you and got you pregnant. Chineke nam ah! Answer me!
It was a mistake, Mama.
So you allowed that stupid boy to impregnate you? Huh? Answer me! Hi, Chineke atamafu. Huh?
It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake is that? Oh yeah, come and show me the person that got you pregnant. Oh yeah, be fast. Move. Hey. Move.
If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass a while. I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble. See me see wahala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take a easy, this life will not be like this yo. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise yo. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise yo. If you don't know, you go know. Waiting be the problem.
Where's this house?
Make I ask it. Again in a word. Wahala no dey finish yo.
Stupid and useless family. Yes. Where is your stupid son? Oh, you irresponsible son. How dare you touch my daughter? Answer me! Hey, shut! Enough. So you could come from nowhere to my house to rant and call my son names. How dare you? Is your son not useless? Is he not useless? What tangible thing does your son do for a living? If not knowing about the village, looking for who to impregnate?
My brother is not useless, so. My brother is a fine bobo.
Shut up, your mouth.
Check him out now. Check him. Such cool guy. Look at him. He's your useless daughter that is accusing him because he's fine. She's accusing him because she knows that the owner of this pregnancy is ugly.
Oh.
Am I lying?
You're lying.
Me lying?
Yes.
Okay. On many occasions I've seen you with many men. All of them. Looking for who to tell you this or that. Whether I did. You talk like this, look at me. Thinking I'm one of them.
Mafo!
Ugu here is the only man I've slept with. He's the only person.
Have you seen it? Nketa denying you before my face.
Who would you talk? Say something.
Okay, who is Uzo? Who is Alize?
Okay.
Is it that Lota bought 150 naira or you got the other day?
Hey.
Or you cannot see you?
Mama, what Chinwe is saying is the truth.
I know.
This girl here, she tried seducing me. And as I was trying to touch her, and I remembered the advice that you gave to me that I should not allow all these dirty village girls to stain me. So that was why I ran for my life.
Did you hear him?
I give my children good training.
Yes.
have imagined how my son could stoop so low, let alone getting you pregnant. That is unacceptable. As you can see, he's a virgin.
Yes, Mama.
I swear with my life. I swear with my life. They are all lying. It's only Ogoye that have slept with me. I have not done anything with any man. I swear, Mama, believe me. They are like she's lying.
The thing that is paining me now is how she say Mama, she's lying, Mama, and her mother is believing her. Because on a normal, you cannot wake up and tell your mother that you are pregnant. She will beat. Tell my mother that one.
I will kill her.
Tell my mother that one. You too shut.
Mama, I'm still a small boy now. I don't even know how to do all these things.
I know. I told them, how can they just My daughter, listen. I know how you feel. I understand it very well. In fact, sorry. I know it's very painful. But this is not how to go about it. I know you love my son so much. You should have gone aside it and come up with a better idea. Please. Bundle your unfortunate daughter to whosoever is responsible for this pregnancy. My son has a wonderful future ahead of him, and I wouldn't want things like this to ruin it for him. Because ahead.
Wonder shall never end. Hey, this one that is in pure. We know the truth though.
Shut up there.
I'll mind my business.
Better do.
I feel a long way.
Have you seen what you have done to yourself?
You're lying.
Today you are not following me to the house. Oh yeah, move. I said come here. Don't touch him. Please. Oh yeah, move.
What do you do?
Look, you deny me. They will beat you. You deny me.
Hey, he's not denying you. He said wait for your turn. Go.
See you.
Wait for the right time.
See you later.
Not denial.
I'll see you, baby.
Tell them again, baby what?
I'll see you, baby.
Mama, I cannot. Mama, I need slim girl. This girl is like 4-bedroom flat. I cannot finish her.
It looks like you did something.
My sister. Thank you. You know, say I love you.
I mean, love you past it at that one. But sometimes we just mess around. If of all the old girls in this village, is that nonsense that Mumuge I will choose? You know, see people with pointed nose, you know, fine body, fine face. You know, see them. Is that Mumuge?
It was a mistake. To be honest, I didn't even know how that girl seduced me. Serious, I didn't know. That's what she used to do. But I don't get vexed for myself now like this.
Oh, Regina, don't pass. At least you don't settle everything. She don't come out. So now.
My girl. Give me five.
Give me which half five. I hear her now. So I just still let it do. I hear her now.
What did you hear?
What did you give the girl belly? I heard everything now. For me, I go even wash the
Come back here. Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to tell mama say that
Mama waiting.
Chicken belly now. Leave it first. I love this small picking for her.
Wait. I thought we are one family now. I will not one again.
We are family. Not one anything. Not one. I don't do that family thing. When it's time for business, it's business. When they put pleasure for business. Give me, Yana. Give me, go look at me now.
Wait. Are you saying I should bribe you?
Before uncle. I'm not there for street again.
I'm sorry, man. I don't get money.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I will just tell the mama.
Wait.
Come back now. Wait. So now I get money, Abi. Which kind of thing with this one?
I'm money now.
What thing with this one? Why they give me white now? What thing with this one? Now for people that have been a biscuit. Nah, that's I want. If you know if you provide me that biscuit, I'll go tell the mama.
500 naira.
Yes, now.
I beg. I don't get 500. I don't get 500.
You don't get 500. You don't get 500, Abi. You shall do you.
Wait.
The boy get there, not good for nothing. Why you get yourself go even grief for you? Mama, eye dey pain me now. No be two head I dey see.
Na one head be that.
See I'm wearing red cap. Oh.
Na purple cap be that, you blind.
No one. Family. Nta you get your own though. Yes, so now you go. Nta you get mine though. Nta. You know say now. Say this tiger no just run the streets. See am.
I need the same with the family. I no fit the family with this kind of idiot.
You know me now asking for that money. If you give me.
Na my last card be that.
You know me beg you that money now. If you give me. Wow. Don't be ashamed.
I will show this boy. Don't worry.
Nta you get mine though.
If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass a while. I never see before.
Mama, please. Mama, please now. Mama, please. Mama, please. Now give her to dinner, Mama. Yes. If I must, since your sister choose to bring me shame in this house, I'll give her the better part of it. Have I not been trying for you, Pooh?
But Mama, she said it was only Ugo she slept with. And I believe her. Mama, look, if you don't know, that family are only trying to lie against her, defending Ugo from accepting his responsibilities. Yes.
If that be the case, she better pack her load and go to whosoever that impregnated her. Because I, Onowa, I am not ready to accept any bastard in this house.
Mama, she is your daughter. Mama, look, have a rethink now, Mama!
Hey, Jesus.
Hey, but Stella, are you sure it was only Ugo you slept with? I want you to think well.
I don't understand why no one is believing me. Why? I don't get it. To even think I told you everything that happened and how it happened, you still don't believe me.
Stella, wait now, Stella! Stella!
Almost.
Yeah.
But there are some things we need to buy. Some nuts and washers so that we can tight it and fix it well.
Like money, like how much is your money?
I'm looking at just like 5,000.
5,000. You will be okay for it.
You will enjoy the car. You will enjoy it. Ask everybody. Here is the best place for mechanic workshop.
Okay. I will give you 5,000 and you will done it everything before I'm
Consider
coming
it
back.
done. Okay, thank you.
Count it now.
It's complete. Yes.
No problem. I'm coming back.
Okay, it's complete. Once you come back, everything is done. So, you can go now.
You never pause now.
No money. Money no day now. Do you hear me?
Oh, no be money. I just say put for your pocket now.
You dey crazy? Are you challenging me? Huh? Where are you going now? Come and stay and talk to me.
Pause now. No good now. Pause. If you work, pause.
Go and finish what you are doing.
Is what the office wages now, okay? You understand? You go to pay us. Make everybody happy.
Look at this boys. The boys I bring here is just to help. You are now asking me how to give you money. Go and finish the car. Look at them. F left. Your own is just money, eat, drink. Look at this one head. You want me to give you the money that I'm supposed to use and enjoy myself at Madam China's place this evening? Which car? Look, don't try anything bad there because if you look at you, let me tell you, even your generation, your papa, your mama, the whole of Omunna, I don't think there's anyone that have used a car like this before.
My father don't buy this car since 1960. Even before.
For dream.
For real life.
Try it now, so that you will know if you go back to that village again. You know, I'm not Mr. Ibe. Like a hadisha. If you're not going to and care Madam China. No, be only pay us. If you got hadisha. Idiot. Come and carry this, you know. Come and carry these 2 balls and put it inside workshop.
Stella, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I doubted you, okay? But how would you even blame me after hearing all that the family had to say out there? And Chinwe was sounding so sure about what she said. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And you believe? You believe that I will be so cheap to sleep with all the men she mentioned? After I told you how Ugo took my pride. When and time? Why are you acting up? Are you acting up pretending like you don't know?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I believe you now. I sincerely do. Okay? But look, Stella, at this point, we need to strategize on what next to do. Okay? Because Mama won't allow you and the child into the house. You heard what she said, right? So look, even if it means you packing all your belongings to his house for him to see how serious we are, we will do it.
How will I go? How? After the rejection and the much humiliation from them, how will I go? Let's even assume they accept me into their house. How will I go? Knowing fully well they don't want me. How will I go?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Everything will be alright. You will be fine. You will be fine. It's okay. It's okay. You will be fine. You will be fine. It's okay.
Madam China.
Ibe. Odogu nwoke.
Madam China.
Mazi Ibe.
What is going on here? What is going on here? Where are your customers?
They are not customers now. You can see everywhere is empty. You're the only customer I have in this village. Ezoku. Without you, there will not be Madam China. Ibe!
You know what? From now on, anybody that comes here till tomorrow by this time, give the person one bottle. My own account. Give me one bottle first, let me start.
One bottle?
If you can bring the one crate, keep it here, let me start.
Mazibe, you know what? I will give you 1 crate, then top it up with 2 bottles. Just to tell you, thank you! I'll use that and tell you, thank you!
No problem.
You know you're doing well now. Without you, you have to go near no. Mazibe, I have good bushmeat with pomo.
Give me the drink first. The drink is very
they're arranging bushmeat. The drink, do you want it very cold or semi-cold? Chilled one. Ibe!
Madam China, you
my money. Now I get alive. We can enjoy myself. It's life now once more. But they come easier. Even not to turn away. They come easier. As the drink it is sweet, you the kill a
God, what are you doing? What does it seem like I'm doing? I want to use the pot as well. You want to use the pot and you wait for me to go and pick it first. I planned using it before you went for it. After all, it's a family pot.
You have been the one using it all this while, and now it's my turn to use it.
Ngozi, leave this pot. Why? Ngozi, the question is not who used it first or who wants to use it.
Yes.
Then why would you wait all this while for me to go and pick it first?
And you think I'll answer that question? You are mad.
I never see before.
Take it easy, or do you need my help?
What nonsense? Huh? Do I look like I drunk to you? I am a strong man. Huh? I am capable. I can do anything.
Easy, oh. Why? Easy. Small.
Madam China.
Huh? Easy.
What is here before me? Who set river here before me?
River.
So as you cannot hear, you cannot see also.
Huh? There's no river now. This is ordinary ground.
Very clean river for that matter. So you can now set trap for me. So just watch me jump the river now. Madam China.
I said, let me help you. Say you don't need the help. Let me kiss you that you're not feeling like a kid.
That is going. My flight is off to China.
China, I'm greeting some people. That's it, easy, oh. Small.
One person go drink, one the time is just more easy. Yeah? At the stage.
Hey! Jideko idea. Hold it there. How is that your business?
That's my business.
Are you the one drinking it?
Madam, no sir, they come this shop well. What did they do this man? Okay. Person go drink bottle till it hard. You go still give am because of money. Madam, you see as you there like this, you go feel give people fake drugs.
You idiots. You are no fear.
Anything will make you.
Shut up! I'm talking. But he gave you palm wine and you collected. Why didn't you tell him that you don't need it?
I don't drink the palm
wine. Shut engine.
I'm not drunk.
Sit down. In fact, you should leave my bar. Leave my bar, no bro. I don't want to sell again. Give me the money of the one you've taken.
My wine is like IPO. My wine is like IPO.
Go. Nonsense. Come on, drop it. But you bought my wife for you, you collected. Nonsense. See, bring my palm wine money, oh. No, come on. My good customer. I should say no to him. Ndiara. Nonsense.
Everyone knows you are useless one here.
What is that now? Mama, I'll hate you. Mama, leave my mother now. What is your problem?
What's going on? Come on, my mother is the person.
Mama, leave my mother.
Pushing me. Why are you pushing me? Who push you? Am I the one? Hide yourself.
I'm warning you. You're a woman. I'll beat you. Stay one place.
Leave my mother.
Come on, leave my mother.
My mother alone. Leave the boss.
My mother is the best wife. We will use this.
Yes, baptize them. Okay. Give them baptism.
I'm respecting you. Leave my mother alone. I'm respecting you. Leave my mother alone. You people don't have respect for Opara. No respect for Opara in this side. Opara is talking. You people cannot answer.
Opara my food. Mama, leave the bottle. It's our turn to cook.
Ona, go. Why is everywhere white? I can't see anything. By the way, who set this question before me? Yes, I will swim.
Come back yesterday. Why?
Yes, man. You didn't come back yesterday. You made all of us worried. What happened?
What are you saying? I came back to this house yesterday.
Nah, that should be in your dreams, eh? Maybe it was in your dreams.
I slept here yesterday. Anyway, that is by the way. Where is that a slave? Where is Ugo?
Man, why call Ugo a slave? Ugo is your first son. Eh? And if that name should go for him, I think he's coming from you because it's your blood that is running.
Why are you saying it and you're moving away?
It's your blood.
Come close. Stand here and say it. Let me hand touch you small. So that you will have sense. Huh? Useless people everywhere. I don't know why I have you as family. You are not my family. Not my family. I have this family, all of you.
Before you disfamily yourself, before you think of disfamily us or anything, we safe. Now we go first disfamily you.
It's like I heard a noise. Is he a cricket or human being?
It's me. It's me.
But I can't see anybody. Look at them.
How can you see? Ogogoro make me blind.
Ogogoro. Nke ka nwuru yesterday. N'abalị nyanya ga-egbu rota. Kai do yo. No Ogogoro make me I for don marry. Kai do your papa. Onye mmanya.
Look at them. You people will not be my family again. Let her have this. It's only me that married two wives in this community. Huh? My own is different now.
Kai do yo. Kai.
If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass a while. I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble. See me see wala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they've not got.
Stella, what is it?
What wrong have I done to you, Ugo? How have I offended you? Is this the promise you made to me when you took away my virginity? You know that you are the only man who has entered me. You totally denied me in the presence of your family. You even allow your sister to accuse me wrongly. Why? Ugo, why?
You know I have a bright future. And you want to come and spoil it for me. Am I the only person that has a bright future in this village? And besides, please, I'm a good boy. I don't know what you're talking about. Go look for who got you pregnant. I have no idea of what you speak of.
Ugo, you are the one who taught me different style. You did. You laid on me for hours. And this is what you have to say to me. Why are you denying me? If you know you never loved me, why did you start it? Why did you even do it?
See, this person that you're talking about now is not me. Me teach you styles. I'll talk of it for hours with strength. Listen, I am a good boy and a good son to my mother. Please, I beg you, go and look for who got you pregnant. It is not me. What?
Please, don't do this.
Please, please.
I'm begging you, please, Ugo, please. Don't do this. Don't embarrass me. Ugo, please.
No. This one don't pass a while. I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me sit.
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
If you don't know, you don't know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now I so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take a easy. This life will not be like this you. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise you. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise you. If you don't know, you go know. Waiting be the problem, I say make I ask it. Again in a word. Wahala no dey finish yo. Make you take life easy, jejely. Na so we dey go. Divided we will fall, united we will stand. Let's live in peace and harmony. Love each other as we love ourselves. We go live longer. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise yo. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise yo.
What happened? Why are you crying?
I saw him.
Who is responsible? Answer me.
Responsible for what, Mama?
Are you mad? Don't let me ask you this question again. And if I ask you this question again, I will slap you. Who is responsible? You think I'm a fool? Think I'm that naive not to know when a girl is pregnant?
Pregnant? I'm not pregnant, Mama. I'm not pregnant.
Don't let me repeat myself again. Who is responsible?
It's Ugo.
Which Ugo?
Mazi Ibe's son.
Hey! Chineke. Mazi Ibe gini? That good for nothing boy. That son of a stupid drunk.
It was a mistake.
Oh!
I'm sorry, Mama. It was a mistake.
Mistake?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. His manhood fell down. And all of a sudden ran into you and got you pregnant. Chineke nama. Ah! Answer me!
It was a mistake, Mama.
So you allowed that stupid boy to impregnate you? Huh? Answer me!
This one don't pass a while, I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take a easy. This life will not be like this you. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise you. If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you don't know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake a promise you. If if you don't know, you go know. Waiting be the problem.
Where's this house?
Say make I ask it. Again in a word. Wahala no dey finish yo.
Stupid and useless family. Yes. Where is your stupid son? Oh, you irresponsible son. How dare you touch my daughter? Answer me! I shut! Enough. So you could come from nowhere to my house to rant and call my son names. How dare you? Is your son not useless? Is he not useless? What tangible thing does your son do for a living? If not knowing about the village, looking for who to impregnate.
My brother is not useless, so. My brother is a fine bobo.
Shut up, your mouth.
Check him out now. Check him. Such cool guy. Look at him. He's your useless daughter that is accusing him because he's fine. She's accusing him because she knows that the owner of this pregnancy is ugly.
Oh.
Am I lying?
You're lying.
Me lying?
Yes.
Okay. On many occasions, I've seen you with many men. All of them. Looking for who to tell you this or that. When I did. You talk like this, look at me. Thinking I'm one of them.
Mafo! Ugo here is the only man I've slept with. He's the only person.
Have you seen it? Nketa denying you before my face.
Who would you talk? Say something.
Okay, who is Uzo? Who is Alize?
Okay.
Is it not you that Lota bought 150 naira or you got the other day?
Okay.
Or Chick cannot see you.
Mama, what Chinwe is saying is the truth.
I know.
This girl here, she tried seducing me. And as I was trying to touch her, and I remembered the advice that you gave to me that I should not allow all these dirty village girls to stain me. So that was why I ran for my life.
Did you hear him? I gave my children good training.
Yes.
I couldn't have imagined how my son could stoop so low, let alone getting you pregnant. That is unacceptable. As you can see, he's a virgin. Yes,
Mama.
I swear with my life. They are all lying. It's only Ugoye that have slept with me. I have not done anything with any man. I swear, Mama, believe me. They are like she's lying.
The thing that is paining me now is how she say Mama, she's lying, Mama, and her mother is believing her. Because only normal, you cannot wake up and tell your mother that you are pregnant. She will beat. Tell my mother that one.
I will kill her.
Tell my mother that one. You too.
Mama, I'm still a small boy now. I don't even know how to do all these things.
I know. I told them, how can they just... My daughter, listen. I know how you feel. I understand it very well. In fact, sorry. I know it's very painful. But this is not how to go about it. I know you love my son so much. You should have gone aside it and come up with a better idea. Please. Bundle your unfortunate daughter to whosoever is responsible for this pregnancy. My son has a wonderful future ahead of him, and I wouldn't want things like this to ruin it for him. Because ahead.
Wonder shall never end. Hey, this one that is in pure. We know the truth though.
You shut up there.
I'll mind my business.
Better do.
I feel the long way.
Have you seen what you have done to yourself?
Don't lie.
Today you are not following me to the house. Oh yeah. I said come here. Don't touch him. Please. Oh yeah, move.
What happened? Why are you crying?
I saw him.
So,
Ugo, you won't believe what he said to me. He denied me again. He called me names. He said so much to me. I have never felt this used before in my entire life. Never.
Stella, you see that Ugo? God will punish him for sure. God will so mess with his life, his family. God will so punish them. Look,
We are not going to just allow that idiot go away with it like that too. Never. Never. We are going to teach him a lesson he will live to regret it for the rest of his miserable life. Imagine that idiot.
What can we do? I really need to get back at him. I really need to pay him back everything he has done to me. What? I don't know what to do. I'm helpless.
Hey, hold on. Yes, come. You see that? That's exactly what we are going to do to him. We are going to deal with him.
So, what are you girls up to? Nothing, Mama.
Mama, nothing.
Don't let me believe that you just sit here for nothing.
Mama, so what you're telling me now is me and my sister cannot sit like this and be discussing. We are not up to anything.
Okay. I just want you to understand that there is no room for a bastard in my house.
Mama.
Wait. I'm not through yet. The earlier you understand that I don't have any room for a bastard in my house, the better for both of you.
Nonsense. Don't worry. Look, we will keep strategizing on our next move. This next one, hey, if you go see your shadow, you will run. Don't worry. Don't worry. Wipe your tears. It's okay.
But wait, for over 5 days now, I've not seen Mazi Ibe. I hope all is well, because that man is my potential customer. Without that man, this bar will not stand. Without that man, there will not be Madam China. Meaning Jeko, there will not be Madam China. Every other customer can go, especially in Kadika, shorting gin, Nisi Dada. That one can go. I don't have business with that one. But you know Mazi Ibe. That man, bam. That man is like 20 customers in one. It's okay. He will come and pay money instantly. He will not even owe me. But others, the rest, they will come and tell me, Madam China, you know I paid you yesterday now. I don't have money today. I'll pay you tomorrow. But his own, he will just come and give me cash. I even buy drink on top for me. Mazibe, better start coming. If I start coming, because look at how everywhere just quiet. No customers. Papa, I can't lose you. Man, walk, Papa. Like, this is so like him now. At least, if he didn't come in the morning, he will come in the afternoon.
Huh? How are you? Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
What's happening?
I'm working on the shop.
If you're going to the shop, you will not work. No, is that the new style you have? Is that the new system? The new rule?
Yes, sir. But we are not fine. We are not fine, Mazuko.
Why are you not fine?
Mazi, our guys refused to pay us for the past 1 month now. And even the one we've worked for him, he has refused to pay us.
Good. They have not paid you for the past 1 month?
Yes, sir.
And the ones you have worked, they have not paid you?
Yes, sir.
Why?
We don't know. He just refused to pay us.
So where is he now?
He went out.
Okay, don't worry. Let him come back. I'll find out what the problem is. Huh? Why won't he pay his workers?
Thank you, sir.
I know if you are idle in a workshop, very busy workshop, you are idle. No, let him come back. I'll wait for him. Ibe, what is wrong with you?
I will not pay them. I will not pay those boys. Those boys are useless for me in this shop. All they know is just to eat, drink, shit without any productive outcome to account for.
Ibe, hold it there, hold it. All they know is how to eat, drink, shit, and be merry, without accounting for all the Ibe. Don't tell me that these boys have been here all this while and have been useless to you. No, that they are of no use to you in this workshop. They are not helping you in any way. Is that it?
Are you talking about help? Help? Which help? These boys say are useless here. They are not doing anything for me. Okay, look at that car. They're supposed to fix these cars for a long time. I'm the one doing it by myself.
Okay, if you don't forget, say this car don't dey here for over 6 months. Now you told us we will not touch am. Sure you know.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you?
Don't go there. Don't go there. If you want these boys to stay, you must pay them. You want them to go, you must pay them. You understand what I'm saying? Please. I don't care what you think about them or what you believe in yourself. Pay these people now.
It's okay. You people can go. Come back tomorrow.
Pay them now. You have the money. Pay them. I said pay them. Don't waste my time.
Take this for both of you. Take it for both of you.
Oga, this money complete now. I no complete.
You are very stupid. As only all now.
Family must now. See. Oga, even my own money self is not complete now. Just to give us now.
Oh, look at you in Kabuki, Dada. Are you talking about how many months or your performance here? Are you doing anything for me here? Or you both of you should be?
Give these boys enough money to tide them over. The times are hard, for goodness sake. Pay them well. Wow.
Tell these boys to live here. I'll pay them. Even they are not doing anything for me. Why are you even making me to give them this money? Yeah. I'm regretting giving these people this money. Look at them. Look at two of them. They are useless here. They are not doing anything. It's because of you, Okoro. Oh yeah, both of you should go. Leave now. Why are you carrying this thing on your head? What is your own?
Because
these things are my boys. Here is my shop. What is wrong with you, Okoro? Why are you so wicked? I thought you are my friend.
Ibe, I'm only trying to save you. I'm only trying to save this empty coconut you call a head. Yes! Look at you. You don't even know what you're playing at. You don't know what you're doing. Don't do that when you owe somebody that has worked for you. The gods of the land themselves will fight against you.
Okay, stop that. You boy, both of you.
Hey, sure game.
Sure game, eh? Who's this? We go everywhere.
You know it.
This kind of family I never
see. Hey, calm down.
Every day now
calm down.
If they never fight you, they've not.
Is this the new style now? Huh? Why do I feel like I'm not welcome in my own house? Don't you people know how to greet?
Nawao.
Which one is Nawao?
Why you not go Nawa? Tell me, why you not go Nawa? Is this how you come back home every day? No, are you supposed to come back home with your right senses? Are you? Somebody.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? It's your duty to come back every day drunk. So why are you here with your right sense? I like you drunk if you don't know.
NTA, your own father, to come back home drunk.
Let me just tell you. You don't know that now that you came back with your right sense, no money for us. See this brother.
No. Allow him to talk to me. Allow NTA to talk to me. He is my son. NTA, talk to me. You know I like you. I disown this family. But you are not among.
He has nothing to send man. Besides, you're welcome.
Papa, welcome.
Papa, welcome.
Welcome, oh.
Welcome. Baby.
Kanta.
You cannot keep your mouth shut. Blah 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 blah. You see, you just made for me just like this.
You better warn this your son. This is loose mouth. You better warn him.
If you are pointing straight, don't point again.
No.
Naomi, what is your daughter?
Look at your son.
Why is it like you want to point to my daughter?
I'm pointing this monster to some.
Naomi, what is your daughter?
Warn yourself.
Warn yourself.
NTA, my son. NTA, my lovely son. You know I love you too much.
No.
Why would you say that? Huh?
I think I say you don't abandon us. Why you can't love me so much?
No. Don't you know that you are my favorite son in that house?
Eh.
And I have good plans for you. Wouldn't you like to go to the city?
I would like go. Once I go, I will enter HQ direct.
And I know you love bobo juice very well.
My favorite drink.
Abi?
Yes, sir.
Please, get me 4 bobo juice to my son.
Be fast about it, though.
See, but wait, look. I will give you the juice on one condition. You have to do something for me.
You say come out, call me here to flex me. You can't be one condition.
No, it's just very commanding. Yes. What was that thing that you wanted to say before your mother shut you up that 2 days ago?
Oh, nah. But this one na blackmail. You won't blackmail me like this.
Are you not my favorite son?
Na blackmail. I come here to slay you.
I can do anything for you. You can do anything for me now. Why are you saying that?
No fit die.
No, nobody's killing you. Nobody's killing you. Tell me, just tell me. Tell me now.
Baba, so you say you go take me to sit?
Why not?
You carry me go HQ.
Anywhere you want, I will take you to. Am I not your father?
You go buy me bobo juice.
That one will happen now. Look here.
Let them bring an amount.
They will give it to you. Just calm down and tell me what I ask.
Anyway, I like bobo juice. I will tell you. Papa. That time I tell you say I like you drunk. No, no, what you know. I mean, let's say they come back every day drunk. You go come back drunk. I don't follow mama and others. Go rush you, collect everything you get, butcher you, collect everything you get, come carry you go bush, go keep you there like abandoned property. If they keep you there, once you wake up, you go there, you gonna reason. I don't come back for house yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Na them carry you go there. I don't follow. I just did them. Leave Papa now. Because say I love you. Leave Papa now, but they will still carry you. They go. You get what you do one day. As you come back, that time we will collect big money from you, the highest money. That time you come back, you just do. Because who keep ocean here? Because who keep ocean here? You really jump. I don't say they vigilante. As if say they throw you. I fear. I just say go break here. That touch me. I just say it for spoil your head.
Haven't I told you that you are disowned?
Baba boy, you talk now. Say you don't disown me.
I thought as much. Look at me, handsome, tall man, gallant soldier. I don't know how I gave birth to an incubated frog like this. Sir? Nka will jump like Mawa. Complete jump like Mawa.
Baba, you come incubated frog. No wonder. I be telling you that no wonder now. Papa jump like incubated frog. You jump like that. I've been telling you this thing. When I forget that bro. Give me Baba juice now.
Zimisi trouble. Zimisi wala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wala, sasa trouble. If they never fight you, they've not gonna.
Which kind of thing is this one now? And I mean, they will say I go sleep. Make I join HQ. So if I do something to Allah, I will go to
If you don't know, you go know. If you don't know, you go know. Or you can leave her.
I want to reach Okoro's place. Maybe I'll come back in the next maybe 1 hour.
Take care.
Welcome. Listen, when I come back, I'll
Jesus!
Hey!
Where is my money? Papa!
Which money now?
Where is my... I won't ask again. Where is my money?
What money are you asking of?
The money you have been collectively stealing from me each time I return home drunk. I need that all the money now.
You have been collecting Papa's money.
From where? Let me hear what? Which money? You're lying. What money are you talking about? You forget your money out there, you come back here to come and disturb us.
Hasn't you returning back home here with any money?
Any money.
Okay. You mean taking my money lifting me up to the bush or any road of your choice to dump me like an abandoned property is a lie told by NTA.
NTA! Nta! Hey! Nta! Where is he? Nta! Hey! Where is he?
So all this while, I woke up in an ungodly places. Huh? You people are the one that take me to the place.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
You see that money?
When wahala jam trouble, na shege promise ya. If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass wahala, I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day na wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take am easy, this life will not be like this yo. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake promise.
Come back, bro. Hey! I beg. I go. Yeah. Hey, boy! You think I wanna move up? Hey! I never! Hey! Boy! Yeah! Apple! Hey! Please help my eye.
What is it?
Oh my!
What is it?
Please help me, please. I don't know. Someone just put papers on my eye, please. And they put it inside my intanta. Hello! My tata!
Mamugo! Mamugo, what is it? Your son is inside the bush, crying and screaming for help. My own son? What happened? Don't ask me that question. If you really want to see your son, follow me now. He's inside the bush. It's obvious he can't see you. Oh, cannot see? What happened to his eyes? Which brother?
Whatever it is, he will use his head and carry it. What am I even saying? He's already dealing with it though.
Come, where are you going to?
Come here before I use you to throw short put.
I think they need my mom gonna help them.
I say you should come and sit down here before I use you to throw short put.
Are you not
come here?
To her? She said come and sit down here.
Look at that wicked.
Mama, this boy is coming stop on you. They are calling you to
come
come
here.
Hello!
My tata! My tata! Anyamo! Mama! Bye! I don't know some boys who... Some boys attacked me, they put peppers on my eyes and my tata!
Hey! Please somebody help me! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Hey! Oh! I want to kill your family! Somebody help me! Hey! Hey!
My tata!
Hey!
My tata!
They want to end your family!
Mama, will I be able to use it? Mama, will I be able to use it again?
You use it, I will apply them.
God!
I will apply them, don't worry. Hey! Somebody help her! Somebody help us!
This one don't pass the water, never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they not go rest you. Make una take a music.
There's nothing wrong with us in this house.
I feel satisfied, like I am really, really happy. Though I was not there to witness how intense the whole event turned out. But you see, that is useless manhood. That man will need to be cut off entirely. He will never make use of it again. Ewuna Madam Buroba Shegi Banzakawe. Idiot, useless goods. Drunkard. Is this the medicine?
Yes. But I'm scared of taking it. I can't.
Stella, please, let it go. If you cannot go on with it, let it go and just carry on the pregnancy.
God forbid. Carry on with what? We never allowed the child of that idiot to grow inside of me. Never. I'd rather get rid of this pregnancy.
But come, are you sure? I'm scared.
What are you guys up to? Nothing. Eh? Nothing? Yes. Always having secret meeting in secret places. Eh? Pico, for the sake of peace, I hope all is well. All is well, Mama. Please, I want to beg you. I no longer have strength for negativities in this house. Because instead of me to allow both of you to kill me, I'll be the one to kill you.
Mama, well, we were not discussing anything. We were only discussing about our future, that's all.
Oh! Future? Future that your sister have ruined. Please, I don't want to be angry. I just don't want to be angry. Go in there. Take the cakes and go and get me water. You know go?
Yes, Mama. Mama, I will go and fetch the water alone. Because Apuyana, Araduoya, she need to rest.
You see? Please. Whether Aradiro or Aradiro, all I want to see in this house is water. All I want to see is water. More broya. More broya.
Mama, let me go.
Let
me go and come and fetch water. Is it not water? I will fill all the buckets today. You dey hear me? Even if it means me going to Mama Amaka to borrow bucket to come and fill, I will do it for you. You need water, Abi? You will get the water today.
It's because of this pregnancy.
Don't worry. Mama, you will get water. It's okay.
She ate me so much because of this pregnancy. Let me just get rid of it at once.
Are you sure? Do you need water?
I don't want water.
Stella, are you sure? I'm scared. Okay, sorry, just lie down. Let me go and fetch water. Yeah? Oh, yeah, lie down. I don't even know if Mama wants to do occasion that she's talking about what? Talking about her. Just lie down.
Ah, who must have done this to us? That person, I will fish the person out. I know my enemies are laughing. They don't worry. Very soon their laughter will come to life. It will be their turn to cry. Just relax. Don't worry. Hey! The world is wicked.
Mama, my tata.
Hey!
Mama, my tata is on fire. My tata is on fire.
Stella, God will punish you.
How do you know it's Stella?
It's not Stella. It's some boys. They are three like this. One after that.
What if it's Stella that sent them? What if? Do you know how many boyfriends she has?
My tata is on fire. Bring guys block. Let me put inside.
Something, let me find it too.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Mazibe, I was actually on my way to Madam China's shop to meet you. Your son is in trouble.
Stop.
Go, your son.
I don't have a son. I don't have a son called Ugo. It must be mistaken identity.
Mazibe, I just saw your wife with your son, no? He's not looking alright.
Are you mad? Or did I put water in my mouth when I was saying it? You want to turn to your father to me? Always disturbing me. Leave this place. I said I don't have a son. Go.
Mazibe, I should go.
Go home.
Just like that. Your son is not alright, though.
Do I look alright?
This life now was but take a easier. Even not to turn even take a easier. Even as the drink it is sweet you, it will kill a girl. Even no be like this year, you go kill yourself. Even.
Stella, what happened? Stella, what is it? Stella, please. What did you do? Mama, please, look, this is not time for explanation. Let's take a... Just shut up! Shut up and tell me what you put. Mama, please now. Stella, what did you say? Talk to me. I'm your mother, talk to me. Hey! Mama, please. Mama, don't give me. Mama, forget that one. Let's take her to hospital first. Mama. Mama, Biko. Mama, where are you going to? Mama, Biko. Mama, Biko.
Mama, let's take her to hospital. Let's take her to hospital.
Ada, where are you coming from?
I just saw your friend and I was talking to him.
About what?
I told him that Ugo is in a critical condition.
Ugo?
Yes.
What happened to Ugo?
I don't know. Because I don't even know the kind of concoction they mixed and poured on his eyes and his manhood. As I'm speaking to you now, Ugo cannot see, neither can he close his legs.
Hey! And what did he say?
You know your friend now?
Eh?
Papa, guess what?
Yeah.
Your friend denied having a family. In fact, he said he has disfamilied them.
No! Wait. In what mood was he when you met him?
Papa, you should know now. His usual mood.
Hey. Okay, don't worry. I know where to meet him. Let me get to Madam China's place. If I don't see him there, I will look elsewhere. I must see him. I must drag him to...
Papa, be careful, oh. You know him now.
No, careful about what?
If you try to advise him, you know how it is. Please be careful. That's what I'm saying.
Nobody to me. I will tie him up and bundle him to... Don't worry, let me go and see him. Ah! Let me go and see him. Ah! So, his son...
Papa's going to go.
When was this nonsense? Anyway, let me go.
If you think you know you, wait till you can give it. If you buy me no you, wait till you.
I knew it. I knew it the moment I saw you and your sister sneaking around. So you were aware that your sister took pills to get rid of a child. What if something terrible had happened to her? But Mama, why are you acting as if it's not your fault? Eh? Ever since you started talking in this house, you've been tormenting her like hell. Not day passes by without you telling her or reminding her that you don't want a bastard child in this house. So it is your own indirect way of asking her to abort it.
How dare you?
Yes, Mama.
No, come back here and speak that.
Mama, it is your fault.
No, come back.
It is your fault.
Speak that rubbish.
Mama, leave me alone. No. Mama, it is your fault. You push her into...
I said come back here. Come and spill that rubbish to me again. Idiot. Stupid girl. As if you're talking to your mates. I know fear. I know fear. Mama, now you cause her. Now you cause her. Are you begging her?
Give me.
Mama, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Take more water. Take more water.
Do you think I will survive if anything happened to any of you? Eh?
Biko, I'm begging you both to be careful.
Yes, Mama.
Don't try this kind of thing again.
No.
Sorry. Oh? Ndo?
Mama, we are sorry. We will not do it again.
It's okay.
No.
Sorry.
Mama, I'm very sorry. And I promise I will never try it again. Please.
It's okay. Sorry.
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 Ndo?
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Ndo?
Hey, cricket, stop there.
Wait till you want what?
What do you have to say? You know what? It's sweet me all. But you know what? I don't enjoy it. We didn't do enough.
My hands are small.
I can't stand here. Allow me now to give her the beating of her life. Look at that useless girl. Hi!
But you know I like this. I like it. She will not dare lie against me. And you know what? I still feel what we did was not even enough. She deserves more than that. That was enough. Seizu, do you remember it was our faces we mixed with water, saved for days? The smell alone will change that girl's destiny.
Well, it will not only change her destiny, it will teach her a very good lesson so that next time she will not dare to lie.
But that was enough.
Next time, to give her the beating of her life. Mara, you do too
much. If you don't know, you go know. This one don't pass a while, I never see before. If you don't know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you don't know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take a easy, this life will not be like this year. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake the promise.
All is not well. Thank God you're here. Thank God you're here to see with your eyes. Look at those fools I'm trying to help their lives. None of them comes to talk to me. Tomorrow now, they will come to me and asking for their payments. I am not in that though. Do you hear me?
I will blame you for that. In fact, everything that happens here is your fault. Yes? How far have you taken care of those boys? You don't. They work so hard, they make so much money for you. What do? You spend the money in Madam Chana's shop and you don't take care of your boys. Ibe! How many times have I called you? Change your lifestyle. Change your lifestyle. Those boys work so hard, you don't appreciate them. You don't.
I know that this is what we say, always on their side. In fact, I made a mistake by involving you in this matter. Why am I even telling you? Why I know where it will end? Okoro, you are not a good friend.
Let me tell you something. Something you should know, which you refuse to acknowledge. I am your best friend, in fact, the only friend you have in the whole universe. And that's why I am bold enough to tell you the truth. And I'll continue to tell you that truth until it sinks into your blockhead. Because you have refused to listen. You have refused to digest whatever I tell you. And that is why things are this way and that way. The opposite of it.
You have overstayed your welcome. You can now go. You can now go. You are not a good friend. You are just a green snake in a green grass. I don't have anything to do with you again. Leave this.
Thank you very much. I will go. What are you looking for? Hammer? You see, bring it down. Break my head. Look at you. Okoro, you break my head. But those idiots who will continue to suck you day and night, don't pay the heads. It's me, Okoro, who is out for your goodness, for your well-being.
Okoro, go. I said you should go, Okoro. Leave my shop.
I will go. Okoro, leave my shop.
Okoro, you are not a good friend. Hey, Bobo. Mwa ihu na azụ. Ibu onye ime ọya, ịpụta n'ụzọ na-ajụ kedu onye gị uru. Look at those boys that used to help me here now. They can go that I'm not taking care of them. Will you tell me what to do in my job? Guess what now? I should stop drinking.
Mama will allow us to go. I'm tired of this village. I want to go to the city.
What are you girls up to this time around?
Mama, I want to discuss something with you.
Something? Well, I'm listening.
Mama, I want to go to the city.
City, what?
Yes, Mama.
Who do you know in the city?
Mama, do we need to know anybody before we can go to the city? We don't need to. I'm tired of this village, Mama. I am tired of seeing you struggle to feed us. I'm tired. Allow me to go to the city, make money, support you, support my sister here. Please, Mama.
Did I complain?
Mama.
Did I tell you that I'm tired of taking care of you?
Mama, look, you didn't, okay? But we are complaining, Mama. Mama, we are complaining because we don't want it like this here. Mama, look, we want to work. We want to do something. Mama, we want to do something meaningful with our lives. We are tired of sitting down in this village doing nothing.
Okay, where do you plan to stay? Or are you planning to stay under a bridge?
Of course not, Mama. There's a girl I know from my primary school days. And I've spoken to her about it. I've begged her to help. And she promised she's going to assist me when I get to the city. So you don't need to bother about where I'm going to stay. I have a place to stay.
If I will allow anybody to go, that is you, Stella.
Okay, Mama.
Then Amara should stay back with me. Okay?
But Mama...
But what?
Mama, look, me, I'm tired of this village. Now I want to go to the city too. Mama, I want to go to the city now. I need to work too. I want to do something. I'm not be roaming about in the village doing nothing.
It's either you allow Stella to go, or both of you should forget about it. Pata.
No, Mama, I'll go. She will stay. Thank you, Mama. I'm going to the city.
Really? Thank you, Mama. Like for real? Okay, no problem.
Amara, I didn't mean.
I say go.
I didn't mean it that way. No. Of course, two of us can go to the city, leaving Mama. Just Amara.
You are still sad? Stella, you know all my dreams of wanting to go to the city, right? And now Mama wants to ruin all those chances because of her insecurities. And me, I'm tired of this village. I want to go to the city, Stella. I want to leave this village. I'm tired. Mama should just try and understand and let me go. No.
Then you need to calm down. You need to relax. Anyway, I have plans of getting into the city.
Are you serious?
But Mama must not know about it. Promise? Have you eaten? Okay. Thank you. Have you eaten? Now smile for me.
I don't want.
Thank you.
As you get the kids with you, even I took down the one name, Ibe. Look at no wire, they come
Ibe. Look at no wire. What did you do to yourself? Ibe. Hey! To what level have you reduced your family that no member of your family is prepared to identify with you anymore? Ibe, I warned you, but you never listened to me. You never listened to me. Now look at you. Look at you. What have you done to yourself, Ibe?
Ibe, as the drink Ibe sweet you dey kill naga. Ibe, no be like this, yo, you go kill yourself, oh. Ibe.
Mazukuru, I don't understand though. Why are you staring at me as if I'm a ghost? Since you came, you have not uttered any word. Should I offer you something to drink?
I'm not here to drink. I'm here to ask you just one simple question.
Question?
Yes. How many times have you gone to the hospital to visit your dearest customer? Eh? The man who spent all his earnings buying drinks here. Eh? The man who spent even the last kobo in his pocket patronizing you. How many times have you visited him in the hospital? How many times? The man who prioritized your bar above his own family. How many times have you cared to pay him a visit since he got hospitalized? How many times? Oh, none, I guess. None. If only Ibe had known. If only Ibe had seen tomorrow, he would have told a different path than he did. He would have loved and cherished his family. He would have given them all the attention he could. But no, he did not. Now he's there, dying in the hospital, with no family to take care of him. Not even the family he created for himself here. The merry family. Eat, drink, and be merry. Where are they? Not even you, Madam China. You've not cared. You've not even thought of it. To pay him a visit. To say, how are you doing? You've not even cared to visit him. Not even with a bottle of beer. Yeah? To say, Mazibe, how are you doing? Maybe that bottle of beer could revive him. Look at you. Look at you. And you feel very good about it, you feel happy. Yes! You feel right about the whole thing. Look at you. Madam China. That's very good. Very, very good. I was under the pressure that you will answer me because you're always talking, blabbing. No answer back, and let me give it to you right away.
Mama Azokoro, I've tolerated your excesses enough. Please, don't go further. Why will you come to my bar and be insulting me now?
You've tolerated my excesses. You've tolerated my excesses. Amazibe has tolerated your goodness, and that's why he's there. You don't even feel guilty about the whole thing. Look at you. You're looking at me.
You not mind your business. You not mind your business.
What business are you talking about? No, what business?
You just make me feel like a bad person. Who told you I'll not go to the hospital and see him?
Oh, you will go. When the dog grows horns, then you will go. You will pay him a visit. Eh? And that visit, I'm sure, will revive him. Look at you. Or maybe when he's dead, finally. God forbid. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that one. God forbid. God did not forbid his being there. God did not forbid that. An accident he got as a result of his stupidity. Being here. You're happy. Look at you.
Hey, enough of this, Mama Zokoro. Since you're not here to drink or patronize me, please just leave my bar. Biko.
Oh, leave your bar.
I'm gonna do.
Huh? Look at you. Don't you have a tow rope? You're a towing van. Come and tow me away from here.
I'll tow you. Don't dare me. I'll tow you.
Look at you. You think I'm Ibe? You think I'm Ibe? Try me and I will show you the other side of the devil. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Look at you.
You're in my bar. You're in my bar.
Your bar. I will close down this place before you know it. You're bloody idiot.
With this your cap.
Let me tell you something. Look at my head very well. Can you see this? Can you see this? I will deal with you and nobody will talk. You're very, very stupid. You're an idiot. No, come on, remove me from here. Come on, fight. No, get up from there and do one nonsense now. And I will deal with you and close this bar.
Because you're an elderly person.
Elderly?
Just leave you.
You're a bloody idiot. You don't know anything. Let me tell you something. Let something happen to that guy, and you will see the other side of the devil. I promise you that.
Was that the one that sent accident to you?
If you buy me no kill, better you can as you get the kids with you, even if you don't look one name,
Again, will I see you, my husband? Oh, come here, Kubeza again. It's only you.
My husband.
Mama, come back. You put it here.
Just go and leave me. Just go and leave me. Just go and leave me.
I thought we were joking. I thought we were joking. Sorry now.
I wouldn't have ever wished you dead. Oh, dead. How?
Just let me know. But take a easier.
Please, I want us to put our heads together and know what to do. Let us decide on one thing and do it. I'm talking about the workshop. People are asking a lot of questions. What do we do with the workshop now? Do we close it down, or do we sell it, or maybe just abandon it like that? What is going to happen to the workshop? Please, that is why I'm here now.
What are you talking about? How can you close that place down? That is not possible. How can you think of closing it down when my husband has a grown-up son like Uguna? My son will take over the business. What is that?
God forbid.
What's it?
Mama, God forbid.
Hey, that's right.
I am not taking over any business. I'm going to sell that workshop, take the money and go to the city to hustle.
Osogene, sell what? That mechanic workshop is for the family. It belongs to the entire family. So you cannot sell it. Nta is also his son. So if you cannot do, even if they sell it, we will share the money equally. And if they cannot share it, Nta will go there and start up something.
I say God forbid again. This one is second God forbid. I'm not taking that workshop now. Do you want me to die like Papa? Me if I want to go to the city, this HQ I've been doing now, but I want to join HQ.
God forbid.
Just God forbid, are you okay?
It's not possible.
You see, this is something I want us to look at.
If him too wants to go to the city, is it not better all of us go to the city? Let us go, because me, nobody wants to stay in the village.
And how could you even think of equal every time equal? What is equal? I have lived all my life with my husband before you came in. You always want to reap where you did not sow. There is no way in fact, in this whole house, I have nothing to share equal with you. Anything I give to you and your children, you take.
Second wife.
That is it. You are the second.
Me, I'm not taking
It is.
You don't know when my father started that business.
Okay.
You don't know now. You people don't know when
don't know.
This is nonsense. Absolute rubbish. Look, I will never ever step my feet in that compound again. Never. If they like, let them set the whole place ablaze. If they like, let them kill themselves. I don't care. I no longer care about that compound. Let them get out of my way. What kind of rubbish is this? This stupidity. Rubbish. Never. Nonsense. God.
You think I like quarrel?
Look at you. You want to go to HQ?
It's okay. Ngozi, left for me. I will say there is no need for all these troubles. Let's stop fighting. What are we fighting for? The man that put us against each other is gone. So what are we fighting for? Let us embrace each other, embrace peace and harmony, and come out as one family. Please, let us embrace peace. I beg you, for the sake of our children. So that we can represent this family as one. Because
you have talked like a virtuous woman that you are, as the first wife of this family. What you said, it's right. Let us live in peace as one family.
Me, I want to go to the city and join HQ. This one now that you pass, I hope to not stop me from going to the city.
it's okay. In that case, I will call Patrick, my brother, so that he will make arrangement on how to take you alongside with Ugo to the city, and you too, in case you want to join, so that peace will reign. Whosoever that want to go. Is that okay?
Yes.
But Mama, this is HK that this boy wants to go and join. Is the laptop not going to be taller than him? You want to go and join HK? As you are small like this, HK.
I don't like laptop. Better come here, let me hug you. Better come, let's hug. No, you like quarreling. Stand up, let peace run in your mind. You coming. You coming now. Let's think that this just leave. You coming now? I don't come. I'll take it for you.
is okay.
It's okay.
If you not know, you go know. This one don't pass a while, I never see before. If you not know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you not know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take am easy, this life will not be like this you. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. If you not know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you not know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. Wetin be the problem? I say make I ask it. Again in a word. Wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. This one don't pass wahala, I never see before. If you not know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you not know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take am easy, this life will not be like this you. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. If you not know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you not know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. Wetin be the problem? I say make I ask it. Again in a word. Wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. This one don't pass wahala, I never see before. If you not know, you go know. See me see trouble, see me see wahala. If you not know, you go know. This kind of family I never see before. Every day now wahala, so trouble. If they never fight you, they no go rest you. Make una take am easy, this life will not be like this you. I say when wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. If you not know, you go know. Or you my liver. If you not know, you go know. When wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. Wetin be the problem? I say make I ask it. Again, wahala jam trouble, na shake promise you. If you not know, you go know. This one don't pass wahala, I never see before. If you not know, you go know.